Welcome back to the opus2 Basics tutorial series. Today we will finish the system itself by adding some additional functions. Looking at the ASW block, you will notice some interfaces that still need to be connected for the services to work properly. Therefore, we will create some additional functions. The first function is an initializer function. We will later code it in C. Additionally, it needs a cyclic interface with a period of 1 second. Then connect this function to the initialize housekeeping interface on the left. The next function is a time helper. This will also be coded in C. It also needs a cyclic interface called pulse, but this time with a period of 100 milliseconds. Next, we connect the getTimeReferenceStatus and SampleTime interfaces from the right of the ASW block. Next, we will create a function for our payload. This will again need a cyclic interface called pulse with a period of 1 second and be connected to the report event occurrence interface of the ASW block and the data pool store parameter value interface of the data pool. And finally, we will create a function that will be our emulation of a memory device. It, as the others too, will be coded in C and only be connected to the outgoing interfaces of the data pool. Now we can add code to the created functions. Before doing that, we have to create a dummy function and connect it to the TM interface. When we create the ground station setup, we will delete this again. Then we start by right-clicking one of the functions and pressing Edit Implementation.